Galaxy Unpacked Event 2024. What to expect? Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event serves as a significant product showcase for the tech giant, unveiling its latest generation Galaxy phones, foldables, smartwatches, earbuds, and more. Scheduled for January 17th, the first Unpacked event of 2024 promises to reveal the Samsung Galaxy S24 series, including the S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra, with potential introductions such as the Galaxy Ring and upgrades for the Galaxy Buds 2. Beyond merely unveiling gadgets, Unpacked acts as a compass, revealing Samsung's trajectory in consumer tech. With the recent trademarking of the term AI phone, the event on January 17th is anticipated to showcase AI-powered features and services. For a comprehensive preview of Samsung Galaxy Unpacked 2024, keep watching. When and where to watch the Galaxy Unpacked event? The event will stream live on January 17th at 10 a.m. Pacific Time, 1 p.m. Eastern Time, and 6 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time, or 5 a.m. Australian Eastern Daylight Time on January 18th for Australian viewers. Samsung's YouTube channel and social accounts, like Samsung Mobile on X, offer prime spots for the live event. How to watch the Galaxy Unpacked event? Samsung's YouTube channel is the go-to for the live stream. Alternatively, you can register on Samsung's website to watch the event and receive a £50 or $100 Australian dollar voucher, though it's not available in the US. Here's what to expect. While no official confirmation has been released, speculation suggests the debut of the Galaxy S24 series, emphasizing AI-driven advancements in phone features and specifications. The S24 lineup may sport incremental hardware upgrades over the S23 series, hinting at the iPhone 15 Pro style design tweaks, improved cameras, and Exynos 2400 or Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chips. Samsung's focus on AI technology within the Galaxy S24 series could mark a transformative leap, enabling generative AI for content creation and execution within the devices, altering user interactions and experiences. The Galaxy S24's potential for gaming shines, especially with the Exynos 2400 chips X-Clips 940 GPU employing AMD's RDNA 3 architecture for enhanced ray tracing. Samsung might tout these devices as delivering near-console gaming experiences, challenging the iPhone 15 Pro's prowess in gaming. Rumors hint at the debut of Samsung's first smart ring, the Galaxy Ring, while upgrades to the Galaxy Buds and Galaxy Watch are also anticipated.